So here's how you can block adult websites on Android device. So for that reason, let me just open up my Google Chrome as my default browser. Alright, then right after that you need to tap on the three dots on the right upper side and these menus will be appear. So now you need to go with the settings. Then again you need to scroll it down until you find the privacy and security option. So here is the privacy and security. So tap on that and then again scroll it down and then you will find this use secure DNS option. Tap on that again and then you need to tap on choose another provider. So tap on that, guys. So after that you need to tap on this custom option. So it will open up all of these. You need to tap on clean browsing family filter, this one. Select this one and now all of the adult websites will be blocked on your Android device. So that's how you can simply block adult websites on Android. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.